telling you, dude, we don't get paid enough and it's bullshit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey there, Schmuckatelli. Why don't we sit down at my computer real quick and we walk through this budget so that I can show you kind of where your expenses are going and help you out with your budget. That way, we can actually see what's costing you money. Sound good? You spent $800 eating out last month? You're a barracks Marine. Why don't you just eat in the chow hall? The chow hall's for poor people, Staffs aren't. Okay, I got it. But you already paid for it, so let's cut that down to $400. That way you can still go out with your friends, you can still eat out, whatever, but you're saving money and you're eating in the chow hall. Now, what's this $250 expense to Nike? Hey, you gotta have the newest J's, Staffs aren't you? You just got to. All right, I'm not a shoe guy, so I can't really understand that. But you already own like 10 pairs of shoes. So how about you hold off 6 months before you buy the next pair of shoes and just keep your money in your pocket? Now, what's this $1,099 charge to Apple? My old iPhone was like 9 months old. I had to update. Okay, well, was there anything wrong with your old phone? It wasn't this one? All right, so what's this $500 car payment for your Mustang? It's like 10 years old. It shouldn't be that high of a payment. The dealer threw in this awesome exhaust that makes it sound like a V8 for free. Free? What kind of interest rate are you stuck paying on this thing? I don't know, like 25%, but it sounds great. All right, we have got to get you out from under that car loan. We're gonna have to figure something out, whether it's selling it or refinancing it through a bank, but we gotta get you out from under that interest rate. That's nuts and that's killing you. So how did you rack up so much money on the MCX over the last few months? Oh, that was Black Friday, fam. I saved like $1,000. You saved $1,000. Looking at this, it looks like you spent $2,000 that you didn't have. Otherwise, you wouldn't be using the credit card. But I got a rifle, an Xbox One, and a new Ultra HD 4K Super Duper Vision TV. You just can't beat that. Didn't you already have a TV and an Xbox? Not to mention, there's not even a range on base here for you to shoot the dang gun. And you live in the barracks, you can't even keep it with you. You gotta keep it in the armory. And there's a big hoopla whenever you want to shoot the darn thing. So, probably not the best purchase. What are you saying, Staffs aren't? Listen, dude, you don't have an income problem. You have an expense problem. Now, I think we can tweak this to save you like $500 a month. But we need to figure out where we're gonna invest it. Otherwise, you're just gonna spend it on more dumb stuff. Oh, but Staffs aren't, I just want to invest it in some new rims for my Mustang and some booze with the guys. $500 a month is great, but I can save that later. This is a real problem, guys. Too often, we as leaders do not actually care about our Marines' finances until it's too late. We talk to them when their security clearance gets revoked, when they're getting divorced, when they miss a payment on their car, their house, their phone bill, something, and we find out that they made a mistake. We need to get ahead of this and ensure that we are able to help our service members be making good financial decisions before it's too late. This is like the one area where we don't do a good job teaching our service members everything they need to know about life. They're young kids. They don't always understand finances, and we don't teach them until it's too late. It's not right, guys. Have these conversations with your Marines, your airmen, your sailors, your soldiers, your coasties. We need to get them out of the mentality that we don't make enough money and help them understand it's their expenses that are holding them back. And if we just budget a little bit and track our spending and then plan for our other spending in the future, we can drastically change their life and set them up for success in the future. When all else fails, guys, don't forget about the resources we can offer our service members, like the Fleet and Family Services, the Navy and Marine Corps Relief Society, Military OneSource, and last but not least, your Command Financial Specialist, somebody who's trained to help them prepare for the future as well as fix problems. But more realistically, we need to get proactive, not reactive, on the financial front. Hey guys, if you found this video funny or insightful or useful at all, do us a favor and share it on Facebook, Twitter, wherever you want with the hashtag from military to millionaire or military money, and help your service members understand that their income is not the problem. Their expenses are, and if we fix it, we can build wealth for the future and take care of our own. We've got to do a better job of this. This is super important, and we could legitimately change the future of our military and the future of our service members' lives.